lepsam. Ridiculous number.
Have you played around much with the settings?
Settings?
I mean, for the Tiptronic? No, you've got.
It's all right over there.
Since I bought this car, I haven't used my right hand brake, right foot brake. So much nicer.
That's a pig.
This is a proper farmer's car. This is really
Yeah.
such ground clearance. It's amazing.
It sounds quite cool. The 5-cylinder is like when it's on full steam, isn't it? It's kind of effortless as well. Just turn it off.
See my really poor temporary fence repair job.
You're going right now, yeah?
No, all the way down. Because yeah, around a bit of wood, and you're good.
Good, right? Let me go with it.
It's a full-time four-wheel drive, right?
It's Haldex,
Like you can
same as yours.
I see your house, and I see it.
What's that?
It doesn't.
I see
Going
it.
up there? No.
Oh, why not?
Come out. Why would I?
Oh, because that was the route.
Was it?
Yeah,
No, it wasn't.
it was.
Was it?
Yeah. That's the off-road route. That's the proper off-road.
For that? For a laugh? For a laugh?
You've got to go for it, man. You can't like
No, it will go.
panic
It
too
doesn't.
much because it all.
It doesn't. It doesn't. You know, struggle. It doesn't struggle. It just takes its time.
Okay, so it's a nice new fence here. You can turn right, obviously.
Ah!
Oh, dangy bits.
It goes like it just
Ah,
doesn't.
I found a leaf!
drives along quite nicely. Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh, dangy bit.
I found a leaf!
It doesn't care.
I've got to do some work on some of these fences here.
I want to do some work on
Found
some
a
of these.
leaf!
Little thing.
Huh? A blue
You don't want to go too far right when you go round this corner because it could be a problem. So you want to hug this left as much as you can. It's a bit off camera, but don't worry. And keep going. Don't slow down. Got to keep going here. Keep going because you'll bog here. That's it. You got through that bit. Oh, hang on. Stop.
Stop.
That's like a gate.
Yeah.
What? Daddy. Look! What I found?
Hey!
I don't open the window and boom.
And boom!
Leaf.
The fence is hanging down a bit there.
Ah! That's a scary. Ah.
Well, that done that. No problem at all.
What, are you surprised?
No, not really. You might want to put it in low gear, like 1, if you can. Let's drive.
I put it in
Yeah.
to the left.
And knock
But
it down
it
to
does-
1.
It does.
And then it will hold you back down the hill. If you're on the brakes,
I need to remap the gearbox so it doesn't change when I don't want it, because it does change.